Can you, tell people what is a real estate mortgage broker and how do you become a real estate mortgage broker?
Sure. I think you have to get, just like a real estate agent, you do have to get a license, okay? And it's usually a broker's license. It varies by state, but you would have to get a license, a real estate license. I do want to make a differentiation between being a mortgage banker and a mortgage broker. And it's a little bit of a subtle difference, but it's very important. And that is, a mortgage banker is somebody that works for one bank. So, for instance, I work with a gentleman here in San Francisco named Dan Custer. He works for Bank of the West. Dan is the one that gets me all my loans. He only gets loans through Bank of the West. Okay? So you can have a lender that works just for Bank of America or just for PNC Bank or whatever bank it is, versus having a mortgage broker, which is almost like more of like a real estate agent, because essentially what a mortgage broker does is they'll take your information and they'll shop your application out to like 20 different lenders. Okay, so to become one, you do have to become a real estate license, and then you would have to just apply, and you would have to. Here's the one thing that I was talking to Dan about the other day that I think is really so important as a real estate, whether you're a mortgage banker or a mortgage broker, is that you have to be just like a real estate agent. You have to be a salesperson. These deals, new loans that you're going to put together aren't going to just fall in your lap. You have to go out there, use your list, use your sphere of influence, use whatever marketing that your company would provide to help you find buyers so that you can put those loans together. The other thing I think it's really important is more so than in any other, I guess it's fair to say more so than in any other real estate industry, you have to be really cognizant of the different regulations and rules. I believe it was starting in 2009. There's legislation that came out of Washington, D.C. called the Dodd-Frank legislation, which really restricts what mortgage bankers and mortgage brokers can do for real estate agents and for buyers. So there are a lot of intense rules and regulations and laws as a mortgage broker that you really have to be boned up on.